So, growing up a Filipino, you've probably heard this song, which now looking back makes you think how nice it was to have once been oblivious to the lyrics or to the meaning of the lyrics. Huwag magtaka kung ako ay di na naghihintay sa anumang kapalit ng inalay kong pag-ibig. Kulang man ang iyong pagtingin, ang lahat sa'yo'y ibibigay kahit di mo man pinapansin. Huwag mangamba, hindi kita